All right, what's going on, team? Welcome back. It is episode 2, or if you're new, click the link down below. I got episode 1 down there so you guys can get all caught up. Or if you're just here because you want to know the number 1 trick to saving money on a renovation, then let's just get to it. Let's not waste your time and lead you on. See, the thing is, you can just do all the work yourself. That's it. There you go. You just saved all the money. That's the most expensive thing, right? Is labor. And now you can save money, the most money possible, do all the work yourself, unless you don't have all the tools, you don't have the time. So it's super impractical, super unrealistic. It's more technical than that. That's why I'm taking you guys on this journey, so I can show you everything that's going on and all my little tips and tricks that I found. In each one of these episodes, what I'm looking to do is drop you a little golden nugget, a little, dang, that's gonna save a lot of money. Now this golden nugget saved me over $5,000, and this is just demolition. Just on demolition, I saved over $5,000. It's a fancy little trick to some. To some people, this might be a little stupid, or maybe you have something set up better. Check it out, guys. I'll show you what we're talking about. Welcome back to Crackhouse Conversions. I'm Jeff Baker. Let's get it started. Alright guys, so for today's agenda, I got a lot of demolition and stuff I can do myself. I'm gonna get that knocked out, and doing yard work is definitely one of the biggest things you can knock out yourself. And as you can see, I got some stuff to do, and we're gonna dive into getting that wall painted a little bit. Oh, don't look at it too much. Let's get us going, guys. All right, got it done. Take a look at that. See, I got all these bushes cleared out. If I knew how to point, right there. Progress. I know it wasn't a lot of actually demolition. It was a lot of demo cleanup, but for now, that's progress. It's stuff I can do myself. Like I said, do everything yourself, right? That's how you're gonna save money. No, it definitely gets more technical than that. So let me jump into that a little bit and give you guys that golden nugget we talked about. See, here's what I did. We ended up totaling out over 11,000 pounds worth of demo trash. Wait, oh, I almost forgot to show you guys the wall. Ooh, look at that review. It's supposed to be gray. I know it's looking super blue, but it's new, it's clean. I even got that side done, as you guys kind of see a little bit there. I'll get a little better reviews than that, but let's jump into that nugget, that golden nugget of how I saved over $5,000 on this job. Here's what I did. When it came to actual demo trash, I had over 11,000 pounds of demo trash. I know that because we drove it to the dump ourselves. Now, I didn't have to do it myself. I could have had the workers do it, but when we're looking, how do we want to do this? We can put those big dumpsters out here, and then they can fill those up. Now, for the small one, they wanted $1,200, and they come pick up the trash for you. Sounds like a great deal. Okay, that wasn't gonna, they would have had to take that one probably 20 times to get that much trash. I mean, that thing was made to hold somewhere in the neighborhood of like 400 pounds, over 11,000. Do the math, there's no way that was gonna work. It's gonna be too expensive, so go with the bigger one. The medium one was, the largest one they had was like $2,400, right? They would have had to come and pick that one up. It still would have been, we're estimating somewhere around like 6 times. And if that's $2,300 by itself, those 6 times, each time that they do it, it is $600. So I was about to spend a fortune on just getting the trash out of here. All I did was, there's a lot of these companies that have big trucks, And you can rent those trucks, very inexpensive. Rent them for the day, get all the trash taken care of at once, take it to the dump. It's cheap to dump that. That at the dump was only a couple $100. So in total, I spent about $349, including gas in that big truck. Did 2.5 loads, 26-foot truck, packed it, and then just cleaned it out good when I was done. Easy. Didn't take me a lot of time. I mean, it was about a half a day's worth of work, and there you go. We absolutely saved a ton of money. That's just demo. There's a lot of other things that we're gonna dive into, but just in demo to save over $5,000 like that, there you go. That's how you keep it profitable. That's how you manage your margin of how much you're making in rent versus how much you spent to get that rent. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Let's get to that reveal. Yes, check out my new, it's supposed to be gray, but baby blue wall. Let's call it. Look at that. Oh, it looks nice. It goes all the way around. Yeah, that was huge. You see a little bit of there. Either way, you get kind of the idea here. Oof. Nice, love it. All right, guys. So I know you want to know what's going on inside. It's not super exciting except for one little thing, and yeah, it's those windows. You might have noticed. It's perfect. Does this work? You guys can see me in the window? See too much of me. I don't like it. Alright, either way, we got you here. These are those dual pane windows, and look at that nice vinyl on there. Alright, let's go inside and check it out. Okay, take a look. Look at that, dual pane. If you're anywhere where your actual temperature ranges more than like 15 or 18 degrees, do yourself a favor, get some dual pane windows. Ours definitely range. Oh man, here in New Mexico we have, it's ridiculous. And it's every 5 minutes it changes. I know a lot of people everywhere says that, but this is 2-layer glass. So this layer I'm touching right now is not touching the other layer. Therefore, is gonna save you money. It's gonna save your tenants money. So it's gonna save you tenants, right? It's gonna save you money on turnover. You're not gonna be worrying about turnover all day long because you're gonna have the same tenants in here, happy, paying rent, even raise the rent a little bit. They're gonna know they're getting a good deal. So this right here is gonna save me money by saving my tenants. So I'm not spending time with vacancies or paying a management company for a turnover fee. Those aren't cheap, those aren't fun. So let's take care of our tenants and just try to do this the right way. And dual pane is definitely the right way to do that. And then the next part of it is that nice trim there. That is vinyl. Okay, I've done the metal windows, tried them out. A couple of things, the metal conducts heat, conducts cold better, so it's not as efficient that way. And the other thing about it too, with I know it feels like plastic, but it's durable stuff. It's flexible, it's durable, it takes a pretty good beating. It's a little bit better for mounting. As far as the actual slide working on it, vinyl's lasted a lot longer and a lot better for me through all kinds of tenants versus doing the traditional aluminum that we used to do. So vinyl, huge recommendation. This is a little bit more standard, not necessarily the same gold nugget there, but hey, just more advice, more info for you guys. Appreciate you being along for the journey here. So, all right, I'm running out of light. I'm starving. I gotta go home and eat. So that is it for episode 2. Thank you so much for coming back. Guys, we will see you in episode 3. But don't forget to hit that little notification bell, like and subscribe, and throw me a thumbs up, guys. I'll see you in the comments. I've been replying to them, so jump in the comments. Talk to me. Tell me what's going on. Tell me those ideas. I've been loving what I've been reading so far. See you guys in the next one. Later.